Hello all, welcome to SQL for Beginners training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to uninstall MySQL Server completely from Windows machine. So, if you try to uninstall MySQL Server only from the control panel uninstall programs, it will not be uninstalled completely, guys. Okay. So, there are some post steps. After uninstalling it from the control panel uninstall programs, there are some other steps that we have to follow and delete some folders from different locations so that MySQL Server will be uninstalled completely then only from your Windows machine. So let's get started with this session where I'm going to show you the process of uninstalling the MySQL Server completely from Windows machine. So first, let's uninstall. I already have MySQL Server installed in my machine. I'm going to show you how to uninstall from control panel first. Just click on this. I'm using Windows 11, guys. It may be Windows 10 or whatever it is. The process is same. Let me go to the control panel. And in the control panel, I'll go to the uninstall a program. And let me search for MySQL. You see here, there are three variants of MySQL. Okay, when I installed MySQL Server in my machine, MySQL installer community, MySQL Server 8.0, MySQL Workbench 8.0 got installed. So these three softwares, I'm going to uninstall one by one. Okay. So I have uninstalled MySQL install community. After it is uninstalled, I'll uninstall MySQL Server 8.0. Whatever the version it may be, guys, whatever that is related to MySQL, you just uninstall from the control panel. Because the time when I have installed is 2022, so this version numbers may change in your case. You may have more MySQL softwares in your control panel. Whatever that is related to MySQL, just uninstall from your control panel. Simple words. Okay. I have three things, so I'm installing three things. If you have four things, you can uninstall four things from your control panel uninstall programs. So this is the main one. It seems it's taking time. Let's wait for it to complete installation. Then lastly, we are going to uninstall MySQL Workbench after this is done. So almost there. Yeah. So last one in my case is MySQL Workbench 8.0. So it can be any version in your case based on the time you are uninstalling. So this will complete our first step, guys. If it is uninstalled, this will complete our first step of uninstalling the MySQL softwares from control panel uninstall programs. Okay. Almost there. Let's wait for some more time. It will be done. Yeah, it is done, guys. As you can see, there is no MySQL related stuff in my control panel uninstall programs. I'll close this. The next step is we have to remove the MySQL folder from program files, C program files. So open the file explorer and go to the C drive, and inside the C drive, go to the program files and see if there is any MySQL folder. As you can see here, there is a MySQL folder in my machine. Without anything, you just delete it. Okay. Right click and delete it. You see MySQL got deleted from your machine. Next, again go to the C drive. This time program files x86 32-bit. Okay, open that. And here also just see if there is any MySQL. In some cases, MySQL will be there in this folder also, guys. If there is MySQL folder in this folder also, just cross check. If it is not there, no problem. But if it is there, we have to delete in the same way that we have done for the MySQL program files. Now go to the program data. Third one is program data. This folder may not be directly visible to you guys. You have to select view and enable the hidden items. Okay, you see hidden items is enabled. That's why this hidden folder is program data hidden folder is displayed for us. So this is Windows 11. This is a way to you see if I say don't show the hidden folders, you see it's not displayed. But again, if I enable this hidden items, you will see the program data. Go to the program data, guys. Find this MySQL folder. This is very important. A lot of people miss this step. So right click and delete this folder. This is very important, guys. Otherwise, MySQL server will not be uninstalled from your machine completely. And after that, come to the same C drive. Go to the users folder, then username folder, then app data, which is hidden folder, guys. If this is hidden option is not enabled, if this hidden option is not enabled, you will not be able to see this app data. So you have to enable the hidden items. Then go to roaming, and here you will see a folder known as MySQL. Delete that. Okay. 4 steps, guys. What are the 4 steps we followed? Remove MySQL from program files, C program files. Remove MySQL folder from, delete the MySQL folder from C program files x86. Remove the MySQL folder from user data hidden folder. And also remove the MySQL from C users username, app data roaming MySQL. Okay. So after uninstalling it from control panel, we have to follow these 4 steps. Then only the MySQL will be uninstalled from our machines. Okay. These are complete steps to uninstall MySQL Server completely from Windows machine. So hope guys you have understood this session and you have now known the process of how to uninstall the MySQL completely from a Windows machine. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye.